Hey guys, welcome to the Simply Salesforce. In this video, I'm going to discuss a pretty interesting topic: how to add a new user into the Salesforce org. Stay tuned. All right, let's log in into the Salesforce org. Click on the login button, and once you log in, we have to add the user in the user section. So before it's already navigated to the setup, but before that, I will open the application and yeah, so once you log into the application, you can see this is the console application. So yeah, here you can see the I will just yeah. So click on the setup. Once you navigated to the setup, you can find the user section here. Either you can find it here or you can search it here. Users. Here you can see the users. If you scroll down, click on the users. Yeah, here you can find the new user button, right? So just click on the I just clicked on the new user button. Yeah, here you can add user first name, user last name. So I will add my user, my Gmail address here, another Gmail address, and you can specify the role whatever you need. Like choose one of which is related to the user, and this is license. You can go through all the details here and profile. Yeah, standard platform user is a profile name which is selected by default. So these are the mandatory fields. If you see the red bar here, vertical bar, it shows that the required fields, and you can go through all the options which are required for your organization, and you can change the time zone. As I'm from IST time zone, I will yeah. So once you fill all the details related to your organization, you can click the save button. If you want to create more users, directly click the save and new button. So here for me, as part of this demo, one user is fine. So I will just click on the save user. Yeah, this is because of duplicate username. What we can do is username is like it may not be equal to the email. So what I will do, I will make as demo. So this is our username. I will copy this. Yeah. So click on the save button. Yeah, you can see the username is saved, and the email ID is this one. So let's go back to the gmail.com and verify whether the new user is created or not. Yes, you can see the verify account here. Yeah. So click on the verify account. So I can enter my new password here. So once you create the user in your org, just ask your users to reset the password and log in for the verification. Yeah. So you can see that the new user is logged into the org. So this is the org which we created the user. If you want to verify with your mail ID, this is your username which we have created. Yeah, you can skip that registration part. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So in this video you learned how to create a new user in the Salesforce organization. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and look out for new videos in the future in my channel. Signing off.